Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best budget telephoto lenses that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the APEXEL 6x telephoto lens and 150mm macro lens, a 2-in-1 kit designed for versatility. This lens combines a 6x telephoto lens for capturing distant subjects and a 150mm macro lens for detailed close-ups. With its 7-element 10-glass design and multi-layer AR plus AF coatings, the optical quality here is impressive, delivering crystal-clear images with minimal distortion and accurate colors. The dual functionality makes it highly versatile, allowing users to switch between telephoto and macro modes seamlessly. The APEXEL lens is crafted from aerospace-grade aluminum, giving it a sleek and durable finish. Weighing just 134 grams, it's lightweight but feels premium. The slide rail phone clip ensures secure mounting on most smartphones, and the included eye cup allows it to double as a monocular for direct viewing. However, the 6x magnification, while decent for casual users, may feel limited to those seeking higher telephoto power. This lens is ideal for beginners or casual photographers who want a portable option for both distant and close-up photography. While it lacks the higher magnification of other lenses on this list, its build quality and dual functionality make it a solid entry point. The main drawbacks are its lower magnification and limited compatibility with smaller phones like the iPhone mini series. But if versatility and portability are your priorities, the APEXEL 2-in-1 kit is a great choice. Coming in at number 4 is the BNIFI Phone Camera Lens Kit, which offers a versatile 4-in-1 solution for mobile photography enthusiasts. The kit includes a 28x telephoto lens for long-distance shots, a 198 degrees fisheye lens for creative wide-angle photos, a 20x macro lens for detailed close-ups, and a 0.6x wide-angle lens for landscapes. This all-in-one package is a great gift for budding photographers who want to experiment with different styles of photography using just their smartphones. The BNIFI lens kit is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. However, the build quality, while decent, doesn't quite match the premium feel of some other options on this list. The 28x telephoto lens provides good magnification, but it's highly recommended to use a tripod for stability. As the lens can be shaky when handheld, the optical quality is solid with minimal chromatic aberration, though edge clarity could be improved slightly. Overall, the BNIFI kit is an excellent value for those who want an all-in-one solution. It's perfect for capturing everything from distant landscapes to intricate macro details. However, users with multi-camera smartphones might face compatibility issues, so make sure to check your phone's settings before purchase. While it doesn't excel in any one area, its versatility and affordability make it a strong contender in the budget telephoto lens market. In the runner-up spot is the Evil Eye 20-60x zoom telephoto lens. This is a powerhouse of a lens, offering an adjustable magnification range from 20x to 60x. This incredible zoom capability makes it perfect for everything from birdwatching to stargazing. The crystal-clear HD optical glass and multi-layer coatings ensure excellent light transmission, reducing ghosting and delivering sharp, vibrant images. The build quality is another standout feature. With a CNC aluminum alloy body and an anodized finish, the Evil Eye lens is both durable and lightweight for its size. At 3.76 pounds, it's heavier than most options, but the included high-strength alloy tripod ensures stability during use. The tripod's 360 degrees pan-tilt head allows for smooth rotation, making it easy to track moving subjects. The lens also supports 58mm filters, adding to its versatility. The Evil Eye lens is best suited for outdoor enthusiasts who need a versatile, high-powered lens for a range of activities. However, the higher magnification comes with a learning curve, as it can be tricky to stabilize without the tripod. Additionally, its size and weight make it less portable than other options. Despite these minor drawbacks, the Evil Eye 20-60x zoom telephoto lens offers unparalleled zoom capabilities, making it a fantastic choice for serious hobbyists. Taking the top spot is the MIAO LAB 30x telephoto lens, a high-performance lens that checks all the boxes for quality, usability, and value. The 30x magnification offers sharp, clear images of distant subjects, and the adjustable focus ring gives you full control over your shots. Made with aluminum alloy and high-quality glass, this lens is built to deliver stunning image clarity with vibrant colors and minimal distortion. One of the standout features is the included aluminum alloy tripod, which provides excellent stability for capturing photos and videos. The universal phone clip ensures compatibility with almost all smartphones, making it a versatile choice for users of different devices. The lens can also be used as a monocular for direct viewing, adding to its functionality. Despite its powerful magnification, the lens remains lightweight and portable, making it an excellent companion for outdoor adventures. This lens is perfect for photographers who want a reliable, high-quality telephoto lens without breaking the bank. The only minor downside is its compatibility limitations with smaller phones like the iPhone mini series. However, for most users, the MIAO LAB 30x telephoto lens offers exceptional performance, making it the best overall choice on this list. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.